Hi kids. A, B, C. Blue, red, green, brown, pink, black, orange. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.